my channel. I would like to thank all of you for all the love that you showed on my last video. It was the first video that I've had to hit over 100 views in 24 hours, and that means so much to me, and I couldn't have done that without all of you. Today we will be making a backdrop out of PVC pipe, and it is going to be a budgeted backdrop, so we are going to go to Lowe's or Home Depot right now, and I will try to see how much I can save on making my own backdrop versus purchasing one, because most of them retail around $130, and we're going to try to see if we can make it for less than half that. So let's get started. I just finished shopping at Home Depot, and all the poles cost $27. I had to get 5 10-feet poles instead of 4 10-feet poles because I wasn't exactly sure how to cut them to only need 4. But it was a super great experience. All the employees were really nice, and I can't wait to get home so we can put the backdrop together. I'm going to show you how I put together my PVC backdrop. What you want to do is you want to start with the pieces that are going to be your feet and your base. You want to take the 1-foot pole and the 2-foot pole and then use a T-connector and connect those two together so that the T-connector has the left and the right side being used, and then the piece in the middle is sticking up. Next, you want to take a 3-foot or 4-foot pole and stick that in the T-connector that's in the middle, and that will be the start of your first side. After that, you want to take another T-connector and put that at the end of that 3-foot piece. You want to make sure that the left and the right side pieces are facing up and down, and then the T part that is you want to make sure the T part is facing in towards the middle. Then you would like to attach another 3 or 4-foot piece at the top of that T-connector, and you will have your first full side. You would like to do the same thing for the other side. And then you need to take your 2 8-foot poles, and you need to take those and you put the first 8-foot pole through the middle 2 T-connectors. And then you take the other 8-foot pole and you add the 2 90-degree elbow joints that you have. You make sure you put those on to the 8-foot pole before you try to assemble the pole. Otherwise, it will fall apart and you'll have to restart. This would be easiest if you had someone to help you, if you're a little shorter like I am, just so you reach everything without having the whole structure fall apart. You attach the 2 elbow joints and the last 8-foot pole at the top, and there you have your base for your backdrop. Next, I'm going to tell you how to put up your fabric piece for your backdrop. What you want to do is get 6 large clips. You can use either binder clips or large clips from Dollar Tree like I did. And you need to take a piece of fabric that is 8 feet wide and then at least 6 to 7 feet long so that it covers the length and width of your backdrop. This will make sure you have a nice, even, soft like surface when you're recording. And that's all you have to do. Add some accessories to your backdrop if you'd like, or you can just leave it the way it is and you're ready to record.